For one focusing on full stack with Django, does a front end framework matter? Give you an edge when searching for jobs? No, not really. I just say, like, there used to be a thing where you joke about, what day of the week is it? What's the new JavaScript framework that's come out? I think things have calmed down a little bit, but I think, look at what's being used most in job specs. Where people are advertising, even if it's a job you can't apply for, or you're not successful applying for. I see TypeScript probably the most at the moment. React is still very common and popular. Vue.js is probably the third, and then keep an eye out for something like HTMX, which people are talking about quite a lot. I always gauge off, when I'm at a conference, the talks that people enjoy or that they've listened to, like notably at DjangoCon US 18 months ago. Everybody was, pretty impressed with the talk about HTMX, and the guy who gave the talk then was always with people at lunch and in the hallways afterwards, people talking to them about their experience with HTMX and how they can get onto it as well. So TypeScript, React, Vue.js, and HTMX are probably the front end stuff to keep an eye on.